There was only one burger left, mate. Fucking
Duck's better, I'll get it. Pass me a bit of bread.
chuck the burger and make the fucking catch a duck, mate.
Pass me a bit of bread. Put it on, the whole bit of bread.
You're gonna put a whole bit of bread on.
How should I do it? Wrap it?
Nah, mate, fucking fuck me.
That is big, that is big.
Oh, fucking hell, man.
That was huge.
Fuck.
How big would you say that was?
Oh, around £6, mate. Hey, mate, maybe they want a slice of bread.
Yeah, try to get closer, I want to see him coming closer.
Right, closer, yeah?
Not there.
Oh, fucking rod's gonna be going beige. Is it going?
What?
My rod, it fucking just went, mate. Beeped. Hey, mate, hold that a sec.
Yeah.
Wait.
Fucking hell, they're having a go at it.
Yeah, what's
Scott,
don't film me. It's still filming, you know.
is it?
Yeah.
Fuck it. Beanhead's got a big... Look at that, big loaf of bread out there, carbon